everybody, it's me, and today I'm with my friend here on Dance Off, and we are teaming up together with one team, and we're being like really. We're going to be doing a team, and we're going to be like, nice stuff. So sorry, I was like wondering. Right? Um, Yeah, so our theme is, well, our like category is rapper. Sorry for not like doing the thing. I'm going to be getting all the stuff ready for us. So we're going to be doing. Oh, my phone just came out. Oh oh, it's raining. Okay, sorry, she was just like doing something. So I just like yeah. Okay, sorry about that. So I'm gonna do it two, no three. Let me just close my um. phone call. I just left them a little bit open, so yeah. At least I have some coolness if I get like too hot. I got a story about her. So my friend was actually like on her face. Like I'll just show you, like that. So and then like she just abused her for doing that face. I was like, hmm. I was like, hmm. I was like, what? And then she just started falling out. I was like, what? So I'm not gonna vote her because she's been a bit mean. So it's probably no, it's not us. Yep. Uh, 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 I'm gonna save up for 1,000, so either work. See you again. No. Dark Horse, Stitches New Rules, Break Free, Happy, Whatever It Takes, or Rockabye. So I've got a lot of choices, or I just save up for like 1,400 for Havana, but I think I'm just gonna do 1,000. The one that I think about, you're the one that I think about, you're the one. My love is your love, my love is mine. I'm like, sorry. Sorry about my singing, it's like really bad. But anyway, what should be. Uh, we're rappers, so we don't have to go out, we can stay forever young. Living in my sofa, drink on a cola underneath the rising sun. I can give 1,000 reasons why I'm going. All you have to do is stay a minute. Just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay. Yay, well, not bad. So got another 10 minutes. It's my house. Come on, turn it up. And we knock at the door and the night begins. Don't listen to this boss, so you come on in. Myself on my horn, tell me where you've been. I'm gonna feeling cold, baby, it's so good. So say, hey, and you know where I live, and you know that we get. I'm just say, hey, welcome my house. Baby, can control now. Even you can slow down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. We got music so loud. Tell me what to do now. Gonna turn it down because it's gonna be thunderstorming soon. Want to hear the thunder? So, like, sorry if you can't hear it as much. Just gonna do it to 20. No, 18. And let's see the results. Yay, we won! And we're a star now. That's so long. So I'm gonna say thank you so much. So we just became a star, y'all. Yo. So, I just became a star. That was my dream. So, yay! I became a star. That's so good. So, yeah, we're gonna be doing one last round if I have time. I think I do. So this is my little friend. She's so cute. She's so little. So ignore the brothers and sister. She's gone. Okay, so we will only be probably doing thing. I don't know, but got my drawings. Okay, so we'll let Prissy join up my team because we are a team. So I'm gonna be just drawing something. So let's just while we wait, I'm going to be making her join. So this is only gonna be my last go because I only got 5 minutes left. Talent show. So this is like any like thing. What's your talent? I don't really know if I have a talent or not, but I'm gonna be like the only thing I can basically do is like do gymnastics and then in half. So I'm gonna do basically around gymnastics. Let's do this and then should we do that? I guess we can, can't we? Oh, that's a pretty top. I'm gonna be dressing as myself in like real life, basically. So I'll be wearing every day and stuff. So let's go into the face. So this is that's me. Ugh. I need the guitar because I actually play guitar. My guitar is downstairs in the thing. Did you just copy my old look? Oh yay! It's Hey and me are twinning. So that is good. It's like a little confused. Ah, it's like ah. Oh, that was so funny. I'm gonna go for this hat. This, this is what I basically look like in an everyday basis. So that is one good thing because I actually play the guitar. I actually play the guitar in so real life. So this is my twin. Will be like we're the solo twins, the duet twins. So we're like. So this is gonna be um this we're gonna be like I'm gonna be doing dances now for me. I'm only gonna get like one off dance. So I'm gonna be taking off Jazz 5. Sorry if anyone likes Jazz 5 the most. And yeah, I'm saving up for a new song, so that's why probably like wondering why I keep putting stay if I had to stay on. So I only got 4 minutes, so we're gonna have to be very quick. Oh my god, my laptop, it's broken. It's not really, but it's like weird. Ah, so we are twinning so far. She basically copies what she was doing, what we were doing. Oh, the years have passed by. Sorry, I don't know what I'm singing. I've only got 3 minutes left. Welcome to the dance off. First up, Beanie Boo. I'm gonna say that. I'll be doing face reveal. My friends.
We have traveled miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my home continues to be. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually.
So my favorite section. So I'm back now if it's more loud for you.
You gave me a chance I could take.
Shut in the dark, I can take it. I see why you're with me. We don't have to be. I'm gonna hear you. Sorry. Natalie's like. Oh no, we got a minute left. So sorry, guys, we're gonna have to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and I hope I see you soon. Bye.